Okay, this is Cotai Strip. So we're just gonna actually over there. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. There. Actually, I don't know if you can see, this is Venetian over here, so there's some music coming over there. So actually the lights are coming on up there too. This is a common bus stop in Macau. Just might as well film it while I'm here. And actually I almost never ever come down the street. This is called Cotai Strip. I'm gonna walk down a little bit today, and mainly because of just pure coincidence. So these are all the trees that line up and down. And this is a very tall building, and then I don't know if you can see that up there, but that's where the airport is at. So that little place is where the airplanes come in. So that and then this tall building is a monster, but it's pretty amazing. There's a big mountain behind it, and when you're climbing the mountain, you have this amazing view of the city, and then this one is just even more phenomenal. So sometimes I kind of marvel at just that alone. Okay, here's the City of Dreams. These big letters. Might as well put myself up there. Walking down the City of Dreams. So basically what we're gonna do is walk down this Cotai Strip. And you can see the show right here across the street. And actually this is a pretty wide street, so I don't really see that many tourists. I mean, I see some, of course. And the bus stop, you know, usually the locals take the bus stops, and the tourists take the shuttle bus. They take all these buses that go from casino to the ferry terminal to the immigration points. So it's kind of unusual that people would be hanging around that bus stop unless they live here. But even if you live here, you wouldn't generally go to this particular spot. This isn't a popular spot for locals. I mean, you're kind of in the heart of the tourist area. Not that there's anything wrong with that. So, okay. I think what we'll do is we'll just kind of walk down this Cotai Strip a little bit, and I guess I might as well catch all this. And run across. Try to catch the second green light if we can, and we missed it. So, okay. Anyways, I might conclude it in a minute. If I can catch the show, I will. I'll walk over to it. This is Parisian over here, Sands, and you can see a very busy street here. So Venetian always has quite a few shows. Okay, Winter Venice. So we'll definitely go over there and film, and I'll just kind of talk about it. But actually this one is the newest one. Sorry, this is the oldest one. And then I remember when these were built. This was here for quite a bit too, but Parisian is new, Studio City is new, all within the last 5 years. So, two people, yeah. All right. Kind of stuck in front of me, which is pretty the norm. So lights. In a minute we'll run across, and I'll probably conclude this, so maybe I'll conclude it right here. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da